What's going on, guys? I'm Brax, and I work as an independent home improvement contractor as well as a handyman in New Jersey. Here on the channel, we go over tool reviews and also home improvement tips. Today we're going over the Stubby Screwdriver. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And be sure to leave me a comment below if you have any suggestions on tools, or let me know what you liked in this video. So if you're familiar with Stubby Screwdrivers, you know that you don't always use them, but when you need them, they definitely come in handy. The three Stubby Screwdrivers that we're going to go over today is the Milwaukee Ratcheting Screwdriver, the Wera 813, and also the Klein Stubby Multi-Tool. So starting with the Milwaukee, which is actually the tallest out of the three. What's special about the Milwaukee is that it has a ratcheting feature, where so if you hold the tip, here you can see it holds a number of other bits, and it's this sort of like a barrel setup. Good thing about this is that it's ratcheting and all the bits are stored on it. Moving to the Klein, which is the shortest out of the three. What I like about the Klein is that it doesn't come with as many bits as the Milwaukee. It just comes with a Phillips 1 and Phillips 2, like a trim slotted and I think a 1/4 inch slotted. Yet these different holders also are nut drivers. Out of the three, the Wera is the slimmest. It almost feels like a pen or pencil once it's in your hand. It's actually a stubby bit holder. It doesn't come with the bit, it actually comes in the kit, Tool Check Plus, and rides right on the side here. This has become my everyday carry stubby because it fits compact in this setup. And if I want to switch it to use any of the sockets, I can use that. If I want to change any of the bits, I have a number of different bits. And also we have this ratchet attached, but I'll give a review on this another time, just showing you what it comes with. So one con about the Milwaukee is the weight of it. Also, it's kind of long to be a stubby. With the bit having a couple inches of itself, once you attach it, you're getting a lot of standout. For the Klein, it's just simply the ergonomics of it. The size makes it really hard to use, at least for my hands. So in my opinion, the only con about the Wera is that it doesn't have an onboard bit holding system. So if you don't have any bits nearby, you're either going to be stuck with the one you have or with the empty holder. So if I had to pick right now, I'm going with the Wera. Just simply because it attaches with the rest of the Tool Plus kit. And you're getting more for your buck if you're trying to go for a compact setup. So as always, thank you for stopping by. And if you like what you saw today, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Also leave a comment below on any tool suggestions or also what you liked in the video. Peace.